history today because we're having the very first Taiwan National Debate Championship, right? You're the very first contestants of this event, and I want to make sure that you understand the significance of this. And I just want to give you a few advices before you go into, I was running out of breath, okay. Make sure your cases are organized into contentions, okay? Make sure when you label them as contentions, okay, the first speakers read the resolutions, okay? If you're a pro, you're going to say, we're the pro, we affirm the resolution that states, read the resolution and say, we have 3 contentions, and contention 1, contention 2, contention 3. Okay, and slow down when you're reading the contentions in text because you make it easier for the judges to take notes. Okay, you can read the evidence part, the body of the evidence quicker, but you need to be really, really clear and loud on the contentions and labels. Okay, make sure that your evidence is all labeled and that you're not wasting time just looking for the pieces of evidence. Make sure you're timing yourself, you're pacing yourself. Make sure you can be as loud as possible and clear as possible, and make sure that your passion is delivered through. Okay? You cannot look like you're not excited about this. Be passionate. That's all I have to say. And I prayed for all of you yesterday, and I think you're going to all do a great job. So make sure you're putting out your best, highest level performance ever. Okay? All right.
We're about to show the schedule. In the future, instead of having everybody meet in this room, because our policy debate will be on a different schedule than public forum, when you finish with your debate, you can go to room 202, and we can tell you who you're debating after that.
There's fine.
Right, Scott will be in charge of that, so you can ask that.
Oh no.
Okay,
Debating.
couple things. Public forum debate, all debates are flip for sides. So you will not see pro or con on the pairing because it is unknown. The room number is like H something. Library table is that table over there. Other table is that table over there. If you have a question, I'll tell you.
The table's behind 106A.
Stone table. Right, stone table or?
Yeah.
Library table on the second floor, other table. That's what they'll say on the pairing. If you have questions, come to me. Sure.
Okay, we have a very tight schedule. Okay, the kids from TS, we need to be on the bus by 7, right? 7. That means if you're disorganized, if you're wasting time because you can't locate your files or whatever, judges will cut time out of your speech time. Okay? So make sure you're organized before you go into the room. Is it there? Otherwise, we're going to come out again. Okay.
Oh, and originally I think we had planned on doing 4 debates for public forum, but we may be doing more than that because we have enough judges to do single flight, so everybody will debate at the same time instead of half and half. So you'll probably end up doing more like 7 debates today rather than 4.
Yes, it's a good thing.
Okay, one more thing. Don't complain. Raise your hand if you're a high school student. Okay, if you do 7 rounds today, you know what that means? If you are one of the contestants for TS next weekend, okay, Adam Nelson from NFL is coming, and we're going to have an NFL district qualifier, a tournament at TS. There will be 6 or 7 other schools competing against each other. Okay, and we would like some of the Morrison students and TS students to be represented there. So this will be a perfect practice, and you have an advantage over them because this very topic is the topic of the debate at TS. Okay? All right.